Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
We were talking about this identity forwarding report, right? Here we have to add a lot of source. We have to add the code, right? It's custom code build. Got it? You should be a hardcore developer to write this code. But when it comes to task, we are not going to add any code, something like this. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. And let me show another one. Okay, this is application status report, what we have out of the box. Is it the one which I have opened? Not sure. If you want to get the application status information, yeah, so just open that report. So again, here we have standard properties, and already we talked about that. So additionally, here you can say what email attachment format you are going to send, whether are you going to send the PDF format or CSV format, and for whom you are going to send this report. Again, you can schedule this task, everything. So for which application, if you want to select any particular application, you can choose report layout. Each and every report will have their own terms, okay? And every task will have their own standard properties. So just execute this task. App status. So save and preview, save and execute. I would suggest instead of touching the existing report, you can get the identical, you can create a custom object, right? Custom report where you can do the customization, basically, okay? So click on view reports, you'll come to know, okay, I have 4 applications in my environment. Number of accounts were available when the last aggregation got done, oldest refresh time, newest refresh time, total assignment, unique entitlement. If you want to add more columns, so what will you do? You are going to customize the code, right? From which table, from where we can fetch the data, something like that. You got it? Yeah, we can do that. Okay. Task and reports both are same, I would say, okay? Because both the objects have the same feature, same UI design, same option. And both the objects will store under task definition, task result, identity object.
And finally, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.